These are mechanisms, not
I think-
intuitive, rational decisions.
Are we not
I
animals?
think it's instinct as well for when a
Yeah, I think it's the
woman
same
gives
for
birth
humans.
to take care of her child.
Stop. Hey, hold on. You've been talking a bunch. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say I think it's instinct as well when a woman gives birth to be nurturing and caretaking of her child.
I agree that women have mechanisms for nurturing, but women also have higher faculties for reason. They can offset feelings and emotion also with reason.